In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scan barcode with Amazon app. Scanning a barcode is the quickest way to find the exact product on Amazon so you can check prices, read reviews, or reorder something you already love. You don't need any extra tools, just your phone and the Amazon app. Start by opening the Amazon app on your phone so you're on the home screen. At the very top, tap the search bar. That opens the search view and reveals a few handy icons you can use instead of typing. Look for the small camera icon inside or beside the search bar, then tap it. If this is your first time, you may see a prompt asking for camera access. Go ahead and allow it. The camera is used solely to scan and identify items, and you can change permissions later in your device settings if you want. You'll now be in Amazon's camera view. On this screen, choose the option labeled Barcode or Scan Barcode. If you're seeing a general image search view, switch to Barcode, so the app focuses on reading those black and white lines you see on packaging. You'll usually notice a box or guide on the screen. That's where you want to position the code. Now point your camera at the barcode on the product or its box. Barcodes are typically on the back or bottom. Hold your phone steady and make sure the code is well lit. Avoid glare from glossy packaging by tilting the item slightly, and try to keep the barcode parallel with the guide on your screen. You don't need to press a button. Once the lines are in focus and fully inside the frame, the app scans automatically. If it doesn't catch right away, slowly move a little closer or farther until the lines look crisp, then pause briefly. Good lighting helps a lot, and a plain background can make the code stand out. If the barcode is on a curved surface, flatten it gently so the lines aren't distorted. As soon as the barcode is recognized, Amazon will show the results. Often, you'll jump straight to the product page. Sometimes you'll see a short list if the same barcode covers multiple variations. Choose the item that matches what you're holding, then double-check details like size, color, and seller. From here, you can compare prices, see delivery estimates, read reviews, or add it to your cart. That's all there is to it. Open the app, tap the search bar, hit the camera, select barcode, point at the code, and view your results. With good lighting and a steady hand, you'll find the exact product in seconds.